As part of the Galaxy S25 launch, Samsung has introduced the new Galaxy Club, an annual upgrade program that allows customers to upgrade to the latest Galaxy phone or pay off remaining installments. However, this program is different from the rental program Samsung hinted at earlier. The new Galaxy Club offers two subscription options: $8.33 per month for the Galaxy S25 Ultra and S25 Plus, or $6.20 per month for the Galaxy S25. Members can upgrade to the newest Galaxy device after 12 months, with Samsung either paying off the remaining balance on their current device or offering a 50% manufacturer-suggested retail price trade-in credit towards the next upgrade. New Galaxy Club members also receive 1 year of Samsung Care Plus. Samsung's new Galaxy Club page outlines two scenarios. Customers can either pay for their Galaxy S25 Ultra in full, totaling $1,299 upfront, plus the monthly club fee. Alternatively, they can finance the device over 24 months, paying $54.17 monthly for the phone and the club membership fee. The program also includes 12 months of Samsung Care Plus, adding more value to the membership. Moreover, after 12 months, customers can trade in their Galaxy S25 Ultra for a $650 credit towards the next Galaxy device if they pay upfront. Those who opted for monthly payments will have the remaining balance wiped out by Samsung. However, the pricing and benefits may make the program more appealing for customers who finance their phones rather than pay in full upfront. While the new Galaxy Club aims to provide an easier way for customers to upgrade their devices, the benefits and cost scenarios need to be carefully considered. The program's value might be evident for those who prefer financing rather than making full upfront payments.